Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Design with Reverend Media. Today we are going to learn how to design a beauty therapy flyer. Without my time ado, let's get started. So this flyer, the size of this flyer is A4. So you go to new, you go to file, you go to new, then you choose A4. If you don't see your A4 here, this is recent. You come to print and you see your A4 here, you select the A4, then you click on create, then your A4 is here. Now we are going to do the top here. See this, the top here is having a different color, so now you use the pen tool to do that. So I'll select my pen tool here, then I'll click here, I'll click here, then I'll click here, then I'll hold and drag, like we have a curve, yes, like that. And make sure that before you use the pen to this place is in shape. Then you press Alt, then you click on this point here. Very good. Then you create another point here, then you join the point. Very good. Now so I have my shape here, then I will give it a color. So I'll go to effects here, then I'll choose gradient overlay. You know, Photoshop has already gradient preset for you, so that's what I use. So first one, you come to the gradient here, then you go to, I use the purple one, so you select the purple. I'm using Photoshop 2021, so I don't know, they are all of the versions have its own preset. So if you find, if you don't find this kind of preset, you can use any preset that you want. Very good. Then I will select this one here. Very good. This one is good. Then I will just change the distance, the angle. Then I also change the style to radar here. Okay, then I can increase the scale a bit. Very good, that's nice. Then I'll press OK. Very good. Now my shape is ready. So you can see there is another shape under it. It's the same shape that I use. So what I'll do is that I'll right click on this shape one here, then I will duplicate, or you can press Ctrl+J, then it will duplicate for you. Then you select the second one here, the down one here, then you, with the help of your down arrow key on the keyboard, you bring it down a bit. They are all having the same color. Very good. Then you can come to the gradient overlay here, double click on it here, then you click here, then you can change the gradient to, I choose orange here, then you can change it to, I think this one is okay. Very good. Then you press OK, then OK here, then you can bring it down small. Very good. You can also choose this, let me select only this one here. No, I'll use this one. Let me use the path selection too. Then I'll double click on this one here. Yes, very good. Very good. Then let me bring this one to the top here. Then I'll bring this one here. Very good. Now my shape is ready. Choose this one here. Very good. I think this one is okay. Nice one. Then Without, okay, very good. Now we are almost done. Very good. Now I have Nana Mama Brown, Yvonne Nelson, then Matankuma here, which I downloaded from the internet just here. Then to have all of them here, I'll click here, click here, click here, then I'll bring them into my Photoshop here. Very good. Now all my pictures are ready here. Nana Mama Brown is the first one. I'm using Photoshop 2021, so I can use my selection to select the subject easily. But if you are using if you don't know how to, if you are not using 2018 to 2021, you can use the pen tool. To have a tutorial on how to use the pen tool to use the pen. But when you're using the pen tool, you have to change the shape to path. Very good. I'm not going to use the pen tool now. I have a tutorial on that. Check the list, my playlist there, how to use the pen tool to remove the background. Very good. So now I'm going to use my selection tool. Then I'll click my select subject. Then the Photoshop will intelligently select the subject for me. Very good. Very good. That's it. So there is small correction here I have to do. So I'll use my quick selection tool. Then I'll use my plus sign. Then I'll add this one here. Very good. Now I have a good selection. I'll click on the macro selection tool. Then I'll click on layer via cut. Very good. Now my Nanama is ready here, so I'll bring her inside here. Very good. Now to Nanama is here, I'll bring her to the top. Here. I'll make her very big. Think it's okay. Then I'll move to Yvonne Nelson here. The same selection tool here. I'll select my subject, but intelligently Photoshop will select my subject for me. Then I'll cut via cut. Very good. Then I'll bring it, drag and drop here. I'll make it big. Very good. Then it's left with my Tankoma. The same thing that I did, I will select. Very good. Cut. Very good. My Tankoma is also here. Then I will increase her. Increase this lady to. I will select Nanama, then I will erase using my eraser tool here. Make sure the brush is soft, the hardness is 0. I will increase the brush here. Then I will erase it. Very good. For it to be soft. Very good. Then I will leave it. You can see there is a makeups, eyelashes and pedicure there. So I'll use my rectangular toolbox here. I will draw a very big one here. Nice one. Okay, then I'll change the color to color white here. Then I have the pedicure and the manicure. That first, let me go and remove this one from there. Very good. Then this one to go. Now I'm going to bring my pedicure or manicure and all those stuff here. I'll bring it into my Photoshop. I'll bring it here. Very good. So I have my eye here, So I'll select, I'll drag and drop here. Very good. I'll drag and drop here. My eye is here. It's a beautiful eye. Very good. Then to go, I need my nails. Yes, I need my nails here. I'll bring it here. Very good. So I will just position it here. I will enlarge it. Very good. You can see there is a date here. That's 24 November 2009. So I want to clean this one here, so I'll use my lasso tool here. I will select it, then I'll fill it with content away, then it will go. Very good. Now, so it's left with what? It's left with, yes, so I'll bring it here. Very good. Nice one here. Very good. Nice one here. Very good. This one too, if you want to get rid of it, you just then to go. We are almost done. I will select both the three here. I'll bring it down. Undo. I'll select this one, this, then I'll bring it down here. I think it's good. So left with my this one to go. Left with my this thing here. So I can also remove the white background from it. I'll use my magic eraser tool. I'll click on it. Everything will go. Yes. Then I'll bring it into my Photoshop here. I'll just reduce it nicely here. Nice one. I'll bring it under this one so that this one will cover it. Very good. Now we are almost done. Then I also have a shape here. I also have a shape here. Very good. So the shape will come before the people, the Matankoma and her friends. Okay, so I want the same gradient to come here. Either I use the gradient settings here for it to come, or I can click on this one. You see the FX here. You press on Alt, then you click and drag. Then you put it. Where is it? I can't find it. Oh, where is the shape? Undo. This is the shape 3, rectangle 3. So you press on Alt, sorry, you press on Alt, then you drag and drop on it. Yes, it has come. So now you can do some changes here and there by clicking on this one here, then you go do undo. Talking about this one, you can even change to linear and all those stuff. Change the angle. Yes, it's okay. So now it's left with the writing. So the name of the the saloon is smooth, so I'll write my smooth touch. So I use this font autograph tone font. Yes, I have the program files, the project files are in the description below, so I'll add the font too. Very good. So this font here is bold. Then I'll go to effects here, then I'll choose bevel and embossment. Very good. Then I'll bring this angle, this point here to the middle here for the embossment. Very good. I'll increase it a bit. Yes, I think it's okay. Then let me change this font, and I think this font is good. Yes, this font is good. Can also track it small. Very good. This font is very good. So let me go to the bevel and emboss, and I'll increase the size more so that. Very good. Then I'll change I'll change the color. I'll be using the gradient color. So as you can use this one here, or you can go to effects here, then add it. Very good. So let me change it to red down. Let me see. No, this one is good. Can also double click on it, then I'll mix a little bit changes here. Very good. So I'll click on OK here, then elevate my touch. So I'll press on Alt on the keyboard. I'll click and drag to get a copy. Then I'll just type style, undo, style. Okay, smooth style. Then I'll reduce this font a bit. Smooth style. I think it's okay. Then I'll write let me change the font to, I think this font is okay, to Beauty and Unisex Saloon. Very good. Then I'll increase it a bit, bring it here. Nice one. Then it elevates another text here. So let me press Alt and duplicate one here. I think it's Beauty with Style. The motto is Beauty. Beauty with Style. Start. Then I'll change the font to, I think this one is also good. Then very good. Okay, so now we are done. So guys, this is how you can design a beauty therapy salon flyer. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.